It is snowy outside. I want to tell you. Today is the 12th of January. This is our third snowstorm since the day after Christmas. One the day after Christmas brought about 12 inches. The one this past Saturday brought about 14 inches, and this one's probably about 24 inches. There's Wayne outside. He's trying to maneuver through this snow. He's dug some out. I gotta yell at him because he's doing too much. You know how men are, doing what they're not supposed to do. Hopefully he's coming in, although he didn't turn the car off, so my guess is he's not coming in. But there is the snow. See how deep it is on the car? And guess what? Still snowing. There are people out on the road. Whoops, there goes one. He's moving right along. So at least travel is okay. Well, okay is the word. Anyway, bye snow. Bye Wayne.